What's the deal, YouTube? What's the deal? Welcome to Milk 74 TV. It is your host, Milk 74. We got another reaction video we about to get into.
Fucking takers, nigga. Fuck you talk about. Oh, friendly ass Hoovers, nigga. Fuck Snoochies, nigga. Nigga know what type of timing I'm on, nigga. Y'all never pop smoke me, nigga. I'll never die. This y'all shit dead. Fuck you talk about, nigga. It's a taker.
So YouTube, we got another one. We got another SoundCloud rapper that's going out backwards. Some more goofy activity. Let's break it down. We got Compton SoundCloud rapper BlockBoy, allegedly a Mob Piru. Now, let's go. So, I guess he get into it with some Hoovers, some A-Tray Hoovers, and he decide to pull up on 84th and pull a 6'9" G-Bo move. So, he pull up on 84th. He put up on 84th, but just look behind him. Look at the flowers. Take a look at the good scenery. Now, he did pull up in the Hoovers. He put up on 84th and Hoover, but it was a Jekyll move because he pulled up on 84th and Hoover. He probably drove around 3 or 4 times. He did not pull up on the corner of 83rd or the corner of 84th. He pulled up in the middle. He put up in the middle of an intersection where it's a street sign that's at 84th. You were supposed to be pulling up on the A-Tray Hoovers. Why you didn't go to 83rd? It's another thing. Everybody know about this viral gas station on Manchester and Hoover. Why he didn't pull up right there and do the video? So let's break it down. Let's get more into the goofy activity. So him and the cameraman pull up in this, what is this, a Ford Focus, as you can see, the car he ran to. Now, so he get out, you know, he don't look no type of like gangbangish. Like he don't look no type of gangbangish. Like he looked like a pimp or just like a regular person. Like he got on some tight jeans, a Perry Ellis shirt from Ross, and he got on like a fake Gucci hat. So he did not go over there looking like a Mob Piru. He didn't go over there in no red shirt, no burgundy bandana, no Chucks, no Dickies. He did not go over there looking like a gang member, but he claimed to go over there to be trying to antagonize the A-Tray Hoovers. So he get in the video, he said, oh, the Hoovers, nobody's scared of these friendly ass Hoovers. You ain't gonna pop smoke me. First, let's get into that. So he know dang well that the Hoovers is not friendly because the Hoovers don't even get along with Mob Piru. Mob Piru and A-Tray Hoover got a history of conflict, you know. It's beef. You would say, you know, it's beef. I guess it's still beef. You know, they had a situation like in early 2000. We'll talk about that on another video if y'all want to. But so it's like he know the Hoovers ain't friendly. Like he know if Hoovers was friendly, why are we the most hated and why do we have so many enemies? Like out of every gang in LA, we got the most enemies. We got the most conflict, the most situations to worry about. So he know the Hoovers ain't friendly. Now, this where the snitching come in because you just heard him on there. He said, y'all ain't gonna pop smoke me. What do we mean? What did we do to Pop Smoke? You understand? Nobody touched Pop Smoke over here. So why is he saying that? Y'all ain't gonna Pop Smoke me. It's like this. Like say if you was in juvenile hall county or the pen and you wait till a police is standing like 4 feet away to take off on your enemy. Like you did that on purpose because you knew the police was gonna come break up the fight, clown. Like you knew it was not gonna be no serious scuffle. Like you probably just dope-fiend him real quick. He probably was gonna beat you up, but the police was right there. So like that's like a PC move. You feel me? Like why would you get on here and say, oh, y'all ain't gonna pop smoke me? You feel me? And then do you see what he threw up? He threw up this. He threw up fuck this. What is this? This is not Hoover. Y'all tell me what this is because this is not Hoover. Nigga, this Hoover. Nigga, this Hoover. What is this? Is Hoover, nigga. What is this? And then he did this, like he threw up fuck whatever he threw up, but he threw it up like you could barely even see him. Like he did it so like tucked away. He did it like in the middle of his chest cavity, and he did it for 1 second. Now this is gonna put the icing on the cake. The length of that video should have been an Instagram story video. Like how did you even put that as a post? Like that video was like 8 seconds. Like you said like 4 words and ran. As you could see on the video, like you ran to the car and like the person who recording it ought to be ashamed of himself. Like you putting yourself in harm's way. Like boy, if this was like when I was outside every day, like if this was 5, 6 years ago, like if this was like 2012, 10, 9, 13, like it would have, he wouldn't have never put that stunt, like, cause he wouldn't have never put that stunt. But this what people gotta understand. How could you stop somebody from pulling up somewhere for 8 seconds if he pulling up somewhere where nobody at, or he just got lucky, he did an 8-second video and nobody drove by or walked by? Like, how could you respect that? Like I said, if he wanted to really do a video antagonizing somebody, why he didn't go here? Boom. To this viral gas station we looking at. Like, why he didn't go right here? You know? Or why he didn't go right here? Boom. Why he didn't go to the park? Why he didn't go to Manchester Park? You know why he didn't go to Manchester Park? Because he's a mark. Ain't no marks at Manchester Park. You know, he's not crazy, like, and I didn't even want to give him the attention, but since he put it out on social media, I'm gonna react to it on social media. But the guy got a death wish, to be honest with you, like, and it's crazy because I was looking at the Instagram and it looks like he already ran to Vegas, you feel me? Like, and it's him and it's that other fool from Lawndale or Hawthorne or Linwood, wherever he from, Jibo, like that clown that I reacted to. But I didn't even know that was a person that said he killed Nipsey. Like, look, he already on some clown stuff. Don't nobody even know you. And these the type of dudes that you run up on them, they gonna say they don't bang. And then another thing I wanna point out is he from Compton or New York? Because I can't tell. He sound like he from New York. So is he from like Compton? Is he from New York? Because I can't tell. But I know that action just put like a orange target on his head, like like for real. And then I don't understand the people that do this clown stuff. Like, what about your homies? Like, you got homies that gotta worry about having issues because of you. Your music is trash. I have never even listened to his song, but I know it's trash. Like, he look at him, he look goofy. Like, 6ix9ine really like messed up a lot of people's heads out here. I don't understand it, but it's your Loc Milk 74.